These are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. So I have some vegetable oil, rosemary, I have some turkey flavor gravy mix, thyme, onion, garlic. We have some green onion over here, about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, and a pound and a half of turkey breast or turkey tenderloin. All right, I'll have all the correct measurement in the description of the video, guys. So we're gonna get the ball rolling by start preparing our turkey breast. Let's go. So at this point, guys, we're gonna start off by blending our herbs. We're gonna add our rosemary, our thyme, garlic, onion, scallion, and all that good stuff. All right, so come on down, let's go. So we're gonna add some water, about a half cup for our NutriBullet. Adding all that herb, you know, the rosemary, thyme, fresh garlic. So I have 1 tablespoon of thyme, 2 tablespoons of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of yellow onion. We have half cup of water, and 1 green onion, 1 stalk of green onion. All right. Close it up, and then we're gonna start blending this baby. And you only want to blend it for about 15 to 30 seconds. That's about it. All right, so now we're gonna split our turkey breast in half, guys. Tenderize it with a kitchen mallet, and then we're gonna add all the seasoning, the dry seasoning, and this wet seasoning right here. Stay tuned. Go ahead and start off by butterflying turkey, just like that. We're not gonna do it all the way through. We're gonna keep it intact. And we're gonna do the same thing for this one. There we go. Now we're gonna grab a saran wrap or some type of Ziploc, whatever you have available, guys. Go ahead and utilize that. Add that. Press it down. And like I said, you want to make sure you have a mallet or something heavy inside of your kitchen. All right. Start by hammering it, tenderizing it. And we're trying to make it as flat as possible, guys. Okay, this is where the stuffing is going to be at after we season our turkey breast. All right, I think this one is good to go. All right. Remove it from the bag. There it is. I think I might tenderize it a little bit more, make it a little bit flatter. Just like that. I think that's good. So now, guys, we're gonna add a little drizzle of oil, not much, maybe about a teaspoon. This is gonna help out with the seasoning a little bit. Rub it in, just like that. Massage that baby, flip it over, and repeat the same thing. This one kind of fell apart, but we're gonna make it work, guys. We're still gonna make it work, all right? So now we're gonna add our dry seasoning or all-purpose seasoning, guys. Rub it in again, just like that. It's already looking good, guys. Already looking good. Flip and flip. This is super easy, guys, super easy to make. You know, when it comes around to Thanksgiving, guys, you don't want to be in the kitchen all day. You want to be able to spend time with family and enjoy all those great moments, all right? Memories. So today we're trying to make this recipe as quick as possible, fast as possible, easy as possible for you guys, all right? That's the main goal of this video today. And this is 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning. All right, so after you apply your dry seasoning, guys, then we're gonna add our wet seasoning. So we're gonna drop our meat, our turkey breast, inside a mixing bowl, add our seasoning, and then we're gonna add our stuffing afterwards. So just stay with me for a second and watch the process. All right, pour that baby on top, just like that. Mix it in, guys, and we're gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes. All right, after 30 minutes, we're gonna add our stuffing. In the meantime, while this is marinating, we're gonna start working on the stuffing to go on the inside. All right, guys, so we're gonna start off by adding about 1.5 cups of hot water. And for the stuffing, this is the stuffing that I'll be using for today's recipe. Stovetop stuffing mix. And this is a savory herb flavor. It's ready in 5 minutes. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and follow the directions. So you want to bring about 1.5 cups of water to a boil, and then we're also gonna add about 4 tablespoons of butter, margarine, and then we're gonna add our stuffing, mix it up, fluff it, and let it sit for 5 minutes. After it's cool, then we're gonna add it to the inside of our turkey breast, wrap it up with a kitchen twine, bake for 45 to 50 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, stay tuned. Add your butter, guys. And once the butter is melted, then we're going to add our stuffing mix. Add that in. Mix it in, guys. And once the stuffing starts to get a little bit soft, we're going to remove it from the heat. Just keep stirring. And I'm just going to do this for about a minute, guys, on medium heat. And now I think we're good. So we're going to remove this from the heat. Let it cool, and then we're gonna start working on our turkey gravy mix. And like I said earlier, the main goal of this video is to show y'all the easy, quick way to prepare a nice little Thanksgiving dinner. You know, we're not doing the whole, 5-course thing or anything like that. We're just doing the turkey right now. Just the turkey breast to be exact. And we're going to use this whole entire packet, this whole packet, guys, with 1 cup of water. Mix it up. And once it starts to boil, it's going to start to get a little bit thick. Then we're going to remove it from the heat and let it sit. All right, guys, so as you can see, the gravy is nice and thick. We're going to do a little taste test to see if it needs any type of salt or pepper or anything like that. All right, 1 second. Let me check. All right, it's pretty good. So we're going to keep it simple. We're not adding anything to this gravy at all. Remove from the heat and start working on our turkey breast. All right, y'all. So we're going to add our stuffing mix. And for this recipe, guys, for the stuffing, you're going to have a little bit left over in the pot, okay? So you're not going to need to use the whole thing for the stuffing on the inside of the turkey. So now you want to grab like a spatula or something like that. Press it down. Just to make sure it's easier to roll. Alright guys, so now we're going to roll this bad boy this way. Then you want to grab your kitchen twine, place it underneath. Give it a nice little tie. Wrap it underneath again. Give it another tie right here, just like that. And that one is good, okay? And we're gonna repeat the same step for this one. And as you can see, some of the stuffing is falling out, but we're not gonna mind that, okay? We're still gonna make our recipe, guys. Alright guys, so now we're going to sear our turkey breast, and then we're going to toss it in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. 350 degrees Fahrenheit, by the way. Sorry about that. So let's go, guys. Alright guys, so right about now we're going to add a drizzle, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever you have available. We're not going to add too much oil because we're just trying to sear our turkey breast right now. We're going to give it a nice hard sear. Make sure it's nice and crispy on the outside, all right? So you want to sear it for about 2 minutes per side. Two minutes per side, guys, and then we're going to remove it from the pan. And you should turn your stove to about a medium-high heat right now. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 minutes. Flip. And that's the color you're looking for right there. And we're just going to repeat the same step. Make sure all corners are nicely seared, guys. Alright guys, so now our turkey tenderloin is nicely seared. We're going to add about 2 cups of hot water to a baking dish. You know what? So we're going to keep it at 1 cup, guys, because I don't want to add too much water to it. So we're going to add 1 cup of hot water to the baking dish, and then we're going to bake our turkey breast for 45 to 50 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Yes, guys, so the moment that we've all been waiting for is finally here. So it's been about 50 minutes. You want to go ahead and remove it from the oven, and then remove your twines. Make sure you remove everything, guys. You don't want to be chewing on a piece of rope. Alright, so we'll remove the first one. This is the second one. Ooh. Alright. So now we're just gonna slice through it. You wanna make sure your knife is nice and sharp, guys. Look at this. Look at that white meat, you know, lean, no fat. It's fully cooked, guys, nice and juicy. All right, so that's what you're looking for. So we're just gonna slice it up, put it on the plate, and then add our turkey gravy. Wow. Alright guys, like I said earlier, we're just gonna drizzle some of that turkey gravy on top. Wow. It's gonna be so good. Can't wait to try it, guys. Alright. All right, guys, so we're about to be at the end of the video. We're about to do a quick taste test. I'm gonna let you know how it turned out. Ooh, it's nice and tender. Yes, guys, so the flavor on this turkey breast, guys, is so good. You know, the flavor from all the herbs, you know, it just created a nice flavor explosion in my mouth. You know, that's what's going on right now. And the sauce on top, the gravy on top is a plus. So definitely check out this recipe, guys. And if you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.